Playtime Toy unboxing. So I'm really excited because today we're going to be opening My Little Pony. Yay!
3, 2, 1. Whoa!
Favorite part about this? Hi, I'm in the box. I came with it.
It was a beautiful day in Ponyville. All the ponies were lined up in front of the castle. They were waiting for the party to begin.
I am so excited for the birthday party.
Everyone was so excited.
Yeah,
and then
me too.
suddenly a sound. A strange sound in the distance. Nobody knew what it was.
I will destroy all the ponies! I don't care who the birthday girl is! I had fun shooting you and pretending I'm all evil and stuff.
Wait, didn't decide. I'm the birthday girl.
Well, happy birthday. You want some chickens on you?
No.
Come on. Check out my new toy, you guys. It is so super unbelievably cool. Look at it. It shoots out chickens. Do you ever guys see anything like it?
This is cheese sandwich. This like to move like that, and then the other one can move. I certainly do love the toy. And this is the little cannon. It has little feet so the pony can stay on. And let's try it out.
Let's try it out. Let's do it. Put the
Okay.
chickens in.
Hey, who did this? I'm gonna push this and I'm gonna shoot it right here. Goodbye. So first I'm gonna take like this cute duck. And then I'm gonna apply it in the cannon. Now I'm just gonna zoom up a little. Voila! I'm gonna shoot you! Just get the right angle and now I'm gonna take this other like cute duck and then I'm gonna fly it in here and then I'm gonna cannonball. I'm gonna shoot you. Hey, where are the chickens? It's shooting out glitter, pink glitter.
Get over here. Get over here.
Get you?
No.
Hey, I want to shoot too. Ready? Ready? Ah, you gotta stay here. You gotta sit. Come close. Come sit on your chair. Ah, I got you.
Okay, my turn.
Oh, this is making me nervous.
you.
No, not me. No.
Hey!
What?
Who did this?
Who's throwing chickens at you?
I have no idea. Thank you, Hasbro, for sending me cheeseburger.
Cheese sandwich.
Cheese sandwich.
Cheese sandwich, cheeseburger.
Guys, thank you for watching Playtime Toy Unboxing. We hope you like this video. Click like and share and subscribe to our video. Bye. I'm gonna shoot you.
That video was awesome. Click the boxes to see even more. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you had fun. And also click here to subscribe to our channel for new videos every day.